Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a horizontal line in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into the document that we want to edit. Then it opens up like this. Here we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on the plus icon in the top row, and here if we scroll down we find horizontal line. If we tap on this, then here we have the horizontal line that we wanted to insert. We can remove it just by deleting it with the backspace, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.